Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to download Roblox on laptop. So guys, at first go to your Google Chrome and then tap on the search bar and search roblox.com download. Now click on the first one and then click on downloads now. Click on save. So guys, the app has started downloading, and after downloading, now open it. And a small window will appear at the top of the screen. And guys, now as you can see, it has started installing. So guys, as you can see, Roblox is successfully installed. Then click on the OK, and now open the app. And guys, now just you have to sign up your account and then you will play the game. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.